old school James Bond-esque conspiracy time. Now this yacht shit, this luxury yacht, they can't just call it a yacht, it's a luxury yacht. Because it's got frilly knickers or something, I think. You know, instead of like your fucking £40 hooker, man, these are the ones that are like 200, 250. Anyway, so, new informations came to light, man. New informations came to light. I've done my deep research, and by I mean my deep research, I've done a first page Google search, and watched a wee bit of RT and Al Jazeera. Deep research, motherfuckers! And you know what? I didn't go near Twitter. I fucking hate that, man. In fact, anyway. So, what's the new information that's came to light, man? Well, they're calling the guy, some people are saying this guy's like the kind of British Bill Gates. He was inherently linked in with the British intelligence services. He was just acquitted, I think that's the right phrase, just acquitted of fraud charges in America. There was 2 defendants, and his co-accused, listen to this, and who was trying to get him done for fraud was Hewlett Packard or something, a big American fucking massive company. You used to see their hardware all the time, but I think they went behind the scenes now, but don't quote me on that. But Hewlett Packard or some shit, right? But anyway, a big massive company in America, that's who was trying to get him done for fraud. The details will obviously come out, because it was like a public court and all that jazz. But he's listen to this is the fucked up thing, this is hilarious. So, he's co-accused got hit with a car in London 2 days. 2 days! He was out jogging and he got hit with a car 2 days before the yacht sunk. Now, he didn't die. He went to hospital. But then later died. Do you know what day he died on? The same day the yacht went down, motherfucker! So the 2 guys, the 2 defendants, died in the same day. This is some James Bond fucking spook ass. I don't even think it's like America versus the West or anything, because it seems to be like just internal intelligence service power fucking games and shit, you know what I mean? But it's a beautiful conspiracy, man, and you don't need to take to the streets to riot to fucking get off on it if you love conspiracies and not let Bigfoot UFO make you want to go out and beat somebody up or vote for a political party. So there you have it, man. That's me done my deep research. So if anybody, because there's this is a beautiful story, man. This is some James Bond ass shit, man. Fucking love it. Anyway, old school conspiracy time over, man. Vote Bigfoot. Next election, vote Bigfoot and UFOs. Moon bases, man. Fucking... Oh, I just remember the pleasure I used to get out. I just like fucking scrolling through hundreds of shit and like, oh, look, there's a smudge on the map. It's a fucking moon base. Yeah, I'll believe that before I believe anything that comes out of fucking Tommy Robinson Smith. Anyway, get it, got it, good. Cat cheese, no cats or cheese were needed in this filming.